for the walnut drops, I've taken 200 grams of dark chocolate compound. You can use milk chocolate compound too, and just chop them up into smaller pieces. Now I'm going to prepare a double boiler. I've just taken a vessel with some water in it and I put a bowl. The bowl shouldn't touch the water. I'm going to add this dark chocolate and I'm going to keep the flame between low and medium, stirring in between, and we're going to melt the chocolate completely. Now while the chocolate is melting, I'm going to chop up about 100 grams of walnuts. We're not going to chop them up into very small pieces, but a whole walnut into halves. Now I'm also going to line my baking tray with some butter paper. We're not going to do any baking, but this is just for setting the walnut drops. And now once our chocolate has melted, I'm going to take it off the flame. Just mix it a bit. Then I'm going to add about half a teaspoon of vanilla essence. This will just elevate the flavor of these walnut drops. And then I'm just going to add these chopped up walnuts. Give everything a nice mix. See that all the walnuts are nicely coated with the chocolate, and then just scoop up chunks like these or dollops like these of the mixture. Place them at an inch of a distance of at least 1 inch from each other. And that's it, friends. And now all you have to do is just refrigerate this for even about 30 minutes. They set really fast. And after 30 minutes, your walnut drops are all ready. Now this is a real quick and easy method. There is a lengthy method where you have to use condensed milk and cocoa powder. I will leave that recipe down too if you want to make it that way. So I hope you like this recipe. It's really delicious and it will really make your Christmas tree look even more beautiful. So I hope you give this recipe a try.
Now for these nutty chocolate squares, I've taken about 2 cups of dark chocolate compound and grated it. This is also at room temperature. Then I've taken about half a bowl, that is about 1 cup of mixed nuts. Here I've used some walnuts and cashew nuts. You can use almonds, pistachios, hazelnuts, any nut of your choice. This is 200 grams of condensed milk and 2 tablespoons of butter. Then we're just going to use about half a teaspoon of vanilla essence. And here I have a 7 by 7 inches cake tin which I have just put some parchment paper in. And here I have my double boiler setup. That is, I've used one vessel which fits this bowl very well with some water, and I've kept a microwave proof vessel on top of it. So let's get started making this amazing sweet. Now in our double boiler, we'll add in our chocolate. To our chocolate, we're going to add our butter. And we are also going to add the condensed milk. And a few drops of this vanilla essence. We're just going to let everything melt to a smooth paste. But here I'd like to share a small story of my childhood during Christmas. My mother used to make all these sweets, and she knew that she had to hide them from me because I would eat them. I love sweet. I have a sweet tooth. And she used to put them in these airtight boxes and hide them in her cupboard or somewhere else in the kitchen. And invariably I used to find these sweets and I used to eat them. Of course I used to not finish them, but I used to just love them, and it was like an adventure for me. It was like a treasure hunt to go and find, where my mom has kept all these chocolates, all these sweets. Especially my favorites used to be milk cream, then these chocolate squares. So now you can see the chocolate is slowly melting. Everything is coming together. Now we'll take this off from the gas top. Now we will add in our nuts. Again, give this a good mix. And now all we have to do is just pour this into this cake tin. Just even it out. And now I'm going to put this into my refrigerator to set for at least 2 to 3 hours minimum, even longer. And then all you have to do is just pull this out with the butter paper, cut it into cubes, and our nutty chocolate squares are all ready. So here I'm putting my sweet right into the fridge to chill. Now here I'm so tempted to give you this one tip that I did today. You know what, in our fridge we always tend to keep all our sauces and everything, and it becomes a big mess. So just take any square container like this and just put them all together. So this really gives you much more place in your refrigerator. So I just wanted to share that tip with you guys. Anyway, so now we're going to keep this to chill for about 2 to 3 hours, and then we'll get back. And here friends, this has been about 2 to 3 hours, and now we can demold it and cut it up into nice square pieces. So we're just going to lift it up along with the paper. And you need a very sharp knife for this. First we'll cut it up lengthwise, and then either you cut all together or you can cut them in. And in this way we'll cut them up into nice squares. And look at this, all the nuts. Doesn't it look amazing? And here they are, the amazing nutty chocolate squares. They're totally vegetarian. There's no egg or anything in it. So anybody can make it. You can make it for a birthday, you can make it for Diwali, Christmas, any festival. It's gorgeous, it's delicious, and it's just yummy. So I hope you like this recipe. I hope you're going to try it out and make it in your Christmas sweets this year. And do let me know in the comments box below as to whether you liked making this recipe. I also have a recipe for the condensed milk, how you can make condensed milk at home with just 4 ingredients. I'll leave a link in my description box. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Hit that red subscribe button just below this video. Give this video a big like. And I'm waiting to hear from all of you. This is Akshita. Until another video, take care guys. Bye. Today's recipe as well as today's video, and if you would like to see more videos like this, then don't forget to leave this video a big thumbs up. Also by clicking the thumbs up icon. Also don't forget to subscribe to my channel and become a part of Akshita's recipes. Once you have subscribed, there is a small little bell icon that will pop up, so just click on that. That way whenever I put up a new recipe or a new video, you get a message for the same. So on that note, I'll say bye and I'll catch you in my next video sooner than you think. This is Akshita saying bye, take care, stay healthy, stay fit, be kind and loving to one another. So till we meet again, bye.